Imagine if your body had its own built-in cleaning crew, one that could sweep away damaged cells, toxins, and harmful debris, all without a single pill or invasive treatment. This process exists, and it's called autophagy. In today's video, you'll discover how to activate it naturally, why scientists call it the key to longevity, and how it might hold the secret to living a longer, healthier life. Stay until the very end, because we'll reveal a powerful, research-backed strategy that can supercharge your body's natural detox process in just days. Autophagy, from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phage, meaning eating, literally translates to it's the process by which your body identifies damaged or malfunctioning cells, breaks them down, and recycles their components into fresh, healthy cells. This isn't just cleanup, it's deep cellular rejuvenation. Research from Nobel Prize-winning studies has shown that autophagy can slow aging, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even enhance brain health. The fascinating part, you already have this mechanism inside you, waiting to be switched on. But here's the catch. Modern lifestyles often keep it dormant. So, how do you unlock it? One of the most powerful triggers for autophagy is fasting. When you reduce calorie intake for a specific period, your body shifts from using glucose as its main fuel to burning stored fat. This metabolic switch signals your cells to begin the recycling process. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting, especially patterns like 16 to 8 or 24-hour fasts done occasionally, can significantly boost autophagy. But fasting isn't the only way. Certain types of exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, have been shown to increase autophagy markers, particularly in muscle and brain cells. Another overlooked factor is nutritional composition. While fasting gets the most attention, specific nutrients or the absence of them play a crucial role. Diets lower in refined carbohydrates and higher in plant-based polyphenols, like those found in green tea, turmeric, and blueberries, can enhance autophagic activity. Some researchers even highlight compounds like spermidine, found in wheat germ, soybeans, and mushrooms, as natural autophagy boosters. This means that by combining intermittent fasting with targeted nutrition, you can create a powerful synergy for cellular cleansing. Let's talk about why autophagy is directly linked to longevity. As we age, cellular damage accumulates, leading to inflammation, reduced organ function, and an increased risk of age-related diseases like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and cancer. Autophagy acts like a microscopic maintenance team, preventing the buildup of these cellular junk materials. In fact, some of the world's longest-living populations, like those in the blue zones, unintentionally practice habits that promote autophagy through seasonal fasting, nutrient-dense diets, and active lifestyles. But here's where myths creep in. Some people think more fasting always equals more autophagy, but that's not entirely true. Overfasting can trigger nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and hormonal imbalances. The key is balance. Cycling periods of autophagy. Activation with nutrient-rich refeeds allows your body to cleanse and rebuild. This is why leading longevity scientists recommend structured fasting protocols rather than extreme deprivation. The goal isn't to starve your body, it's to give it strategic breaks so it can repair itself from the inside out. Now, for the powerful research-backed strategy I promised. Combining a 16 to 8 intermittent fasting schedule with a polyphenol-rich first meal. Here's how it works. You fast for 16 hours, allowing autophagy to kick in, and then you break your fast with foods like spinach, extra virgin olive oil, walnuts, and green tea. This not only prolongs the benefits of autophagy, but also provides your body with the building blocks it needs to create strong, healthy new cells. Studies from journals like Cell Metabolism suggest this approach can improve metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and even extend lifespan in animal models. And human data is looking promising. If you want to start today, begin small. Try skipping breakfast 2 to 3 times a week and replacing processed snacks with whole nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate short bursts of intense exercise and experiment with adding autophagy-boosting foods into your meals. And remember, autophagy is a long game. It's not about quick fixes, but about creating a lifestyle that consistently gives your body the time and resources it needs to regenerate. So, next time you think about health, don't just focus on what you're adding in, think about what you're removing. The secret to longevity may not be in endless supplementation or the latest anti-aging technology, but in unlocking the natural cleansing power that's been inside you all along. If you found this guide eye-opening, subscribe to Unlimited Longevity and join our journey to discover the science-backed secrets of living longer, stronger, and healthier.